why do European fighter jets cost more than the US? Well, to put it bluntly, Europe is fragmented when it comes to defence markets. Europe's fighter jet ambitions have long been hindered by national divisions, limited scale, and overlapping programs, resulting in cost overruns and inefficiencies that put Europe at a disadvantage. Let's start with the Eurofighter Typhoon. Developed by the UK, Germany, Italy, and Spain, the program has cost 40 billion euros to develop, or about 55 million euros per jet, assuming 721 units ordered. Add inflation and procurement costs, and the UK's total unit cost may have soared to 249 million euros, compared to the F-35's 175 million. Now compare that to France's Solo Rafale. With fewer orders, costs nearly doubled to 208 million euros from a 107 million euro projection in 2000. And when adjusted for inflation, this sits at around 243 million euros today. So, why are costs ballooning? Well, these countries aren't buying enough jets to absorb fixed development costs. Small orders and fiscal constraints mean the per plane price climbs fast, and that trend could continue with Europe's 6th-gen fighter ambitions. Meanwhile, the US benefits from scale. The Pentagon plans to procure 2,456 F-35s, with the program acquisition unit cost coming out at $196 million. Scale helps to absorb the hit. Exports could help Europe, but they're facing headwinds. Firms like Dassault, Airbus, BAE, and Leonardo are increasingly reliant on selling abroad, yet they're up against US defense giants with stronger global reach and more competitive pricing. To sum up, Europe's fragmented approach is driving higher costs, while the US, with a unified strategy and larger order book, keeps unit costs more contained. As Europe looks to future fighter programs, the big question is whether it can afford to stay divided. Hopefully that gave some context as to